Here at Board Busters, not only do we offer a fast turnaround time of 1 day on just about every appliance control board you send in, but we also have unbeatable pricing. Nowhere will you find that fast of a turnaround time with prices this low. We've been in the appliance repair business since the 90s, and in 2014, we also began offering appliance circuit board repair. We don't only repair appliance circuit boards, so if you're wondering whether or not we can repair something, simply send a text message to 561-310-0425 with a picture of the circuit board or part number, and we'll usually contact you within seconds with a price and turnaround time. Board Busters gives a 1-year warranty on all boards. So remember, Board Busters is your go-to place for any circuit board that needs repair. For more information, visit our website www.boardbusters.com.